Hello friends, I'm back. So today our topic of discussion would be I can understand English but I cannot speak it. So here I would like to say that this question comes only when you're not confident enough to speak in English, when you feel like you are lacking somewhere and you are not open enough to come out and say that no, I don't know English but I'll try. So here what you can do is uh, first understand that not able to speak in English is not a big deal. It's okay. There are so many things that so many people do not understand, right? Does not mean you lack somewhere. The only thing lacking is confidence. I have seen people who are not that great in English, but they speak so fluently, so openly, even with wrong sentences, wrong vocabulary, wrong tense, present tense, they just make it past tense, and for some future tense, they'll make it present tense. Present tense. So it's not a big deal. It's okay if you don't uh, know how to speak English. There is always a first time. You can start your journey whenever you want. All you need to do is just start speaking in English. That's it. And what is the problem here? What is the problem? That you can't speak in English. But what is the solution? Have you thought of it? Has it come to your mind that at least you know English? At least you understand English? Yes, so that is one step of success, that you at least understand English. So here you have just one, right? So it's not a big deal, it's not a big problem. You know English, you can understand, right? That is a very big thing. There are people who does not understand vocabulary, who does not understand simple English sentences or words. So that's okay. That's okay not to know. That's okay not be able to speak in English. But what you can do is start your journey of learning English. There are so many apps available, there are so many websites available. Nowadays AI is your best teacher. Just go and ask AI, how can I learn English? Ask AI, how can I improve my English? How should I start my journey? So it's a very simple process, not a big deal. You can learn anytime you want, and it is just a simple process. Just start it, start your journey. All it takes is to start your journey. That's it. It's not that difficult. What will happen at the maximum? What will happen? You might go wrong, right? People will laugh at you, people may make fun of you. Oh, that person does not know English. That's okay. There are so many things they also don't know. Maybe they have some kind of uh, jealousy, some kind of uh, self negotiating, or self demeaning thoughts, and that is the reason they are putting you down. This can happen, right? So always, never consider your worth based on others opinion. Never. If a person thinks you are mad or you are good for nothing, let them think. Let them think. People may think anything they want, anything they want. People can say anything they want. But does that mean you are so? No. You should know your worth. You should know that there is something that we are lacking. Does not mean we are imperfect, does not mean we are good for nothing. No. The only thing lacking is knowledge. Gain knowledge, understand English. Start with simple sentences. How you can do: hello, my name is Rujuta. Start with simple language. Start with simple hello. Start talking to people in English. They will first make fun of you, but later on, when you will get an expert in that language, they will admire you. They will ask you, how you have improved your English. For me, when I started my English journey, even I was not that great. Even I'm still learning. There are so many words that I don't understand. I just Google it. I just try to identify how can I improve it. I go to different websites. I go to dictionary. I try to search new words. Dictionaries are best teacher. Just understand this. Having a dictionary by your side will make you perfect in English in no less time. You will be like a pro. So, work on your accent. Working on your accent is very important because understanding English, speaking in English is fine, but then there should be an accent when you speak, which will identify or which will define that you are fluent in English. Suppose I'm saying I am just going to do this. No, it does not create an impact. You should have punctuation marks. You should have full stops. Even there is a tone. Have you ever heard of a story? Have you gone to some websites or some apps where they tell you stories? Have you observed their tone, the way they speak, the pauses they take? The more pause you take while speaking, the more confidence you will have while you speak. Take pauses, take full stops. Suppose I'm narrating a story. So, what I'll do is instead of saying plain sentence, there was a boy in a village, he went to school and he came back and he went for playing football. That's a very plain sentence. So if I make it a little dramatic, there was a boy in a village who was very active and who went to school and was a very bright student. Then he came back from school and went to play football. He was also very good in football and no one was able to beat him in his game. Don't you think this creates more impact? Yes, it does. So, try to listen to podcasts which help you to understand English, which will help you to gain knowledge in English. Try to go to apps and try to speak in English. It will really, really help you to have a command on your language. Having a command in whatever language we speak will create a great impact. Telling you a short story about me, I had traveled all over India, and when I came back to Maharashtra, I was very fluent in Hindi. And people thought, I was Punjabi because of my accent, the way I spoke. But then when I spoke in Marathi, people were amused that, how can you know this language and how do you speak it? So that was a shocker for me that, being a Maharashtrian, I was not able to speak in Marathi very nicely, but I was very fluent in Hindi. So what I did was I worked on my Marathi, I worked on my local language, I tried to speak more and more of it, I tried to write it down, I tried to write articles in Marathi, I tried to read Marathi articles, I tried to understand Marathi language more because all of my life I was outside Maharashtra. So for me it was really difficult to gain that knowledge and understand how to speak. But over the years I was able to do it, but still I struggle a little bit to speak in my local language, which I'm working on. And for my English journey, even I tried a lot, working on different things. I went to websites. English songs are the best teachers, one of the best teachers, I would say. Try to listen to any of the English songs. And first, for my first experience was that I was not even able to understand what that lyrics meant. What that singer is singing was all over my head. It went all above my head, and I just could not understand what that singer was singing. So, what I did was I opened the lyrics and then I listened to the song. So, with the lyrics, I could understand, oh, this is the meaning of, or this is the punctuation, or this is the tonality of this word. That made me understand the song better. And I tried to watch movies in English. It was really difficult to understand because their accent is really different from ours. The way we speak, especially Indians, we speak very in a very plain manner or in a very normal way. But people outside of India, they have specific tone, specific modularity. There is a low and high of pitch while they speak. So we need to understand that, there is a always learning graph. We can always have scope of learning. You should always learn. Learning never ends. And trust me, whatever you gain, whatever knowledge you gain, will never go waste. Will never go waste. Always try and keep learning. One of my friend, told me that, why do you always keep doing these trainings and attend all these sessions? But for me, I have gained a lot of knowledge. I am an energy healer. I understand energies. So whenever someone speaks of energies, I just go crazy. I just start talking about it. I just cannot stop. So whenever you gain knowledge, you gain confidence while you speak. Any topic, suppose I tell you any topic, so speak about that topic in 5 minutes. If you don't know anything, you will just mumble, you will just stop speaking, or you will go blank. But if I give you a homework, and if I say that, prepare this topic and speak on it, you will be so confident while speaking. You will feel so good, while you speak. And once you are done, the other person will be mesmerized when you speak confidently. Confidence is the key to success. Even if you don't know anything, if you don't understand anything, but you have confidence in things, it will create great opportunities and success in your life. Success comes only with hard work. And English, learning English, speaking in English is not difficult. You just need practice. Practice it. Practice everything you understand, you read, you listen. Just practice what that author wants to say, what is the emotion behind that words, those sentences, what are the emotions are going in that author's mind or that singer's mind when that song is sung. So try to understand, try to go in deep of that topic. When you go in depth of that topic, you will understand that, it's not that difficult. And it's just a big bubble. As I always say, English is a big bubble. You need to break it. Once you understand it, once you speak it, once you are fluent in it, you will just come out with flying colors, and you will be successful. If you have any problem, I'm always here to help you. If you have any difficulties, you can comment in the section below and let me know. I will definitely help you. And try to go and search for apps, websites which will help you learn English and start your English journey as soon as possible. If you understand English and are not able to speak it, this is the day you have to start learning. You have to work on 5 sentences every day minimum to start your journey. So start your journey today and let me know how you feel after a day or a week or a month. Hope to see you soon, and take care all of you. Bye bye.